Any mention?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13.
Yes.
Lordship, can you take up this matter after 2 weeks?
And for respondent 4.
This is the land acquisition matter.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Kharmi.
No objection.
Okay, this is item 13. The request made on behalf of petitioner. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to make a mention for item number 9, 10, 11, and 12. I am for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the application for compounding of offences has been refixed on 16th of December, Your Lordship. I request that the matters may be adjourned, Your Lordship.
Is there any use of keeping this pending here?
Your Lordship, in this case, earlier I just submitted this matters. The compounding application that again it is true, Your Lordship. So in this order, 9/2/2022, who has given the order?
This is 2022. Yes.
So, Your Lordship, as because interim order it is given the permanent one, so that's why, Your Lordship, this RD is saying give the liberty so that RD can pass the order for the execution order. Because
But the this interim order prevents you from what action? This is interim order.
not to proceed in the matters in the district court.
Is it? Is it correct, Mr.
Yes, Your Lordship, but the matter is lying before the registrar of companies, Your Lordship, for compounding of offences. They can proceed anyways, Your Lordship. Hearing is
Yes, it
anyways
is before
going
registrar
on.
of companies.
So, Your Lordship, this
Anyway, it's okay. We just
For the-
it is informed by the learning council for the parties that the
Hearing for application for compounding of offences. Hearing of compounding of offences, application, Your
Yes.
Lordship. Hearing of
this hearing of the application for compounding offence is still pending before
regional director.
regional director.
next date is, Your Lordship, 16th of December. So any date after that. Your Lordship.
Yes. We'll just see.
So, Your Lordship, there will be no bar to pass the order. Only this much. No bar to pass the order by the regional director.
Okay. Just in view of the submission, list this matter after 3 weeks. Stop. It is made clear that dependency of the matter before this court shall not be a bar for the registrar of
This regional director. Register company regional director, Your Lordship.
shall not be a bar for the registrar of
Regional director. Regional director.
Is it required, Mr. Regional Director? has
Regional,
to-
before the regional director, you receive this matters.
Yes, Your Lordship. Anyways, we have applied for the compounding of offences.
That
Your
is all
Lordship.
right.
We can
That is all right. Now it is pending before the Registrar of Companies.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So it shall not be a bar for the Registrar of Companies
Your Lordship,
to take
register-
up and consider the
Your Lordship,
application.
regional director is the above than the register company. So
But then who will be entertaining your application?
regional director. Register.
Is it correct, Mr.
Your Lordship, I have to confirm on that, Your Lordship. We have some.
Once we say Registrar of Companies, that is all right. That will.
So you will see register
Yes, sir.
company is the complainant here. The order will pass by the,
Application is filed before which authority?
you will see it is filed to the register company.
That is
In,
okay.
in turn, it has been put up to
Same
the
thing,
regional director.
if it is said that will cover.
Oh, sir.
Shall not be bar for the Registrar of Companies to deal with the application filed by the
Your Lordship.
filed by the petitioners.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That will do. That will.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Is
Yes,
it all
Your
right?
Lordship.
No
Yes, Your
confusion.
Lordship. No. Highly obliged.
We have side to list this matter. Okay. Yes. All right.
Please, Your Lordship.
Right.
Mr. Public to mention item 17. Sun rifle matter. Mr. Chanda is indisposed, Lordship.
Item 17.
17, Lordship.
Yes. Other side?
I'm with you.
Did not.
When do you want?
After 4 weeks, Lordship.
4 weeks is going after this single come up in January. You'll be here in January to take up the matter.
After vacations, Your Lordship.
It is too early to pass order for vacation. Vacation starts from when? We'll have it after 2 weeks. If required, you make a mention again.
Lordship.
Just on the request made on behalf of the petitioner, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 6.
Yes,
This matter will come after 2 weeks.
we are for the state.
And for the MTDC, respondent to.
I'm for the state.
You are appealing for the MTC. So why you are asking time? What's the matter about?
This is a retirement benefit, Your Lordship. Actually, in this matter, Your Lordship, settlement is going on, Your Lordship. So I don't know till now what is the outcome of settlement. I have given the suggested also to them, Your Lordship, for consideration, but till now I have not received any.
So you also need some instruction.
No, Your Lordship, I'm just waiting for the outcome of the settlement, Your Lordship.
So the settlement process is going on.
Yes,
So is
yes.
it on? Any information?
As far as
This MTC.
state is concerned, my lord, state is actually a formal party. However, my lord, in this case, what had happened, my lord, is that some amount was adjusted, my lord. Some proceeding was initiated against the petitioner because, my lord, the department found that a certain amount was misappropriated, my lord. So that is the case, actually.
Anyway, just say on the request made. You have no objection to the prayer?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay, on the request made. No, just say the Mr. So-and-so council, London Council appearing for the respondent number.
Respondent 2. Respondent number 2.
Place for an adjournment in the matter. Stop. London Council appearing for the petitioner has no objection. Accordingly, list this matter after 2 weeks.
All right.
2 weeks. All right.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I pray if this matter can be taken up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
You are appearing for?
For the petitioner here, Your Lordship.
Who is the respondent?
I have not seen him, Your Lordship.
Respondent is MEC.
I will inform the council for that.
No, but then say if you make a mention, see it may happen they could pass an order and subsequently they have a problem. You make a mention when the matter is called in presence of the other side.
Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 15, Lordship.
Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship. Conducting counsel is out of station. That this matter must become after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Yeah. Mention has been made on behalf of the petitioner on the ground that the conducting counsel for the petitioner is out of station. You just say prayer. Do not say mention has been made. A prayer has been made on behalf of the to adjourn the matter for 2 weeks on the ground that the London Council the petitioner is out of station. The prayer has not been opposed by the London Council for the respondents. Accordingly, list this matter after 2 weeks.
I do bless, Lordship.
Your Lordship, the counsel for the other side is here, Your Lordship.
You are appearing for the
No, Your
MSL?
Lordship, Miss our colony is there, but she is on her legs, Your Lordship.
No, what about the prayer is for adjournment of the matter?
Yes, Your Lordship. I think you must have spoken
have
to
you-
the
have you-
council, Your Lordship.
Have you taken instruction?
No, Your Lordship. Miss R. Colony is a conducting counsel, Your Lordship. I'm just appearing on her behalf because she's on her legs, Your Lordship.
That is all right. Whether there is any objection to the prayer of adjournment or not, how do we know?
No objection.
You have any instruction?
No objection, Your Lordship.
Okay, just say. The petitioner makes a prayer for adjournment of the matter for 2 weeks. The counsel appearing for the respondent has no objection. Prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks.
Duly obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Lordship, I beg to make a mention for item 2, Lordship. I pray that the matter may come next week, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship,
This is 2014 matter.
Lordship,
We'll take up.
Lordship, the conducting counsel is out of station,
conduct the
Lordship.
You can
Fix next week, Lordship.
It is 2014 matter. SC court is not inclined to adjournment. This is a subsidy, issue of subsidy.
Yes,
Lordship.
Why?
Fix any date, Lordship, next week. Any date next week, Lordship.
These are all you see, these applications are pending unnecessary from 2014. If you are serious, you would definitely press for it. Why should we keep pending unnecessary? Yes.
My Lord, state is not contesting, my Lord. Main is the Union of India, my Lord.
Yes. You have objection or no? No objection. We will not keep it next week. Why should we keep it next week if it is not taken up? Just say on the request made on behalf of the petitioner, not been objected by the counsel for the respondents. List is matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item 3 as well, Lordship.
Item 3, who is the respondent? This is also 2014 matter. Yes. That is that claim for that salary?
Yes.
Lordship.
Pending for 10 years.
Big school and real school.
No objection. Write the same thing, same order, 2 weeks.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 1.
This belongs to Mr. Devnath. Just give it. No one is appearing for the petitioner.
My Lord.
See you. One day they appear, next day they disappear.
On the last occasion also, my Lord, they had taken time to take steps on the private respondent.
So what shall we do? No step has been taken.
No, sir.
The official note says no step has been taken. What shall we do?
My Lord.
What is your prayer?
My Lord, since it seems the petitioner is not interested in the matter, it can be dismissed on non-prosecution, my Lord.
For non-prosecution.
No one has Even in the last occasion, my lord, kindly produce the last order also.
See, it is, see, you see, if you see right from the beginning, at the maybe at the time of motion also they did not appear.
My lord.
Then it was adjourned. Let's say none appears for the petitioner. Mr. Argurum and GA is present on behalf of this present. You are appearing for respond number
1. My lord.
Okay, it's present on behalf of the respond number 1. This present matter was initially listed for motion on 12/9/2023 when none appeared for the petitioner, and the matter was ordered to be listed after 2 weeks. On 28/9/2023, petitioner counsel the petitioner counsel appeared, and after hearing him, a notice was issued. Notice was issued in the matter. Notice was issued whereupon it was ordered that petitioner shall take step for service of notice upon respond number 2 within 2 days. However, petitioner failed to take any step for service of notice upon respond number 2. On 18/10/2023, the matter was listed before this court, and again on that day, nobody entered appearance. Nobody appeared for the petitioner. Nobody for the petitioner, and the matter was again adjourned for two weeks. By the same order, it was reiterated that petitioner should take steps for service of notice upon the respond number 2 within 2 days. It seems therefore also petitioner failed to take any step for service of notice upon the respond number 2. On 14/11/2023, when the matter was listed from learned counsel for the petitioner appeared before the court and submitted that due to some difficulty, step for service upon respond number 2 could not be taken, and prayed for grant of some more time. The prayer of the petitioner was allowed, and the petitioner was granted 24 hours time to take steps of service upon respond number 2. Stop. Today, when the matter was called for, none appeared for the petitioner. Stop. Office note dated 29/11/2023 revealed that petitioner has not taken any steps for service of notice upon the respond number 2. Stop. It appears from the above that the petitioner is not interested in pursuing the matter. Accordingly, the matter stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Deeply.
Yes, go.
Item number 4. Hearing item number 4.
Yes.
Yeah, my lord, state respondents were directed to file the compilation of the proceedings of the DP proceedings, my lord, the originals of the DP proceedings.
We'll pray for some time, my lord.
Oh, it was hard ones on reserved for judgment, and then it was found that that part of the departmental records of departmental inquiry is not there. Yes, I think Mr. Khan was there, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. He is on legs in the other court. He is still some time back, my lord. So I'll pray for some time.
They have already taken time for
Well, we'll try to file it before the next date, my lord.
On the last occasion, you were also not present.
my lord.
So what is to be done?
Lord, we'll pray for some more time, my lord. If my lord is kindly grants us 2 weeks, my lord.
Why? What is the difficulty in producing the record? Why it's taking so long?
My lord, I'll pray for a week then.
This matter has already been heard, my lord.
Okay. Learned counsel for the state. Praise for grant of 1 week's time. For production of the related record pertaining to the proceeding, pertaining to the departmental proceeding, including that of the records of the inquiry officer. Prayer allowed. List after a week.
Well, obliged, my lord.
Any difficulty? Yes.
Item number 7.
Yes.
My lord.
You wait. There will be 2 division benches, and thereafter I do not know how long you have to wait.
This is, my lord, that BSF absent without leave, my lord. My lord has heard that. They wanted to produce.
Well, you see, like what happened, this court has heard many matters. And it remained like that. Okay. And then what happens after a gap of certain
Oh, my
period
lord,
of
I
time?
can understand, my lord.
You see, the memory gets erased. So, what, Mr. Jha, you have to wait. If you start it, you will not be able to finish it now. Then just wait for the sitting of the court again.
My lord, can it be next week if my lord can?
On the joint request, list this matter after a week. On joint request of the parties, list this matter.
Lordship, item 8 is also there. Item 8 is also there, Lordship.
Item 8 is, what is the next item?
8.
8. Same parties.
Same.
Here also, next week.
Lordship.
Same order.
No.
Item number 14.
So Guwahati Council, Mr. Mazumdar, last time.
None appears for the petitioner. Dr. N. Majiga, London DCJ is present. List is met after 3 weeks.
Come after vacation.
Automatically. List is met after vacation, winter vacation.
16. Item number 16.
Yes. Where from this noise comes? You have a noisy background, Mr. Siddiqui.
School.
There must be some kids playing outside.
There's a school, I think. My lord, before Mr. Siddiqui starts, my lord, this matter pertains to recruitment in paramilitary forces, my lord. So what happens, my lord, to Staff Selection Commission, the advertisement, my lord?
It is disturbing. Mr. Siddiqui, you'll have to change your venue. It's quite disturbing.
In that case, let it be taken next week. By next Monday, if it could be taken.
Honestly, I get very irritated if somebody.
Yes, yes.
Say, my temperament also is not. Say like, if this be the situation, we'll have it.
But only one aspect was there, my lord, which if Mr. Siddiqui wants to rectify or do something. Advertisement was issued by Staff Selection Commission, my lord. And this is a common recruitment exam for Assam Rifle, BSF. My lord, that the advertisement at page 9, my lord.
Yeah.
This is not advertisement, the application submitted by him. This is for the post of Constable General Duty in CAPFs, NIA, SSF, and Riflemen in Assam Rifles. So this is a composite exam, my lord. Now here Mr. Siddiqui has not made Staff Selection Commission as a party, my lord. Nor, because Assam Rifle, it is not necessary that he'll get into Assam Rifle, my lord. Because depending on his ranking in the exam, my lord, he may get any paramilitary.
So which organization will go?
Nobody knows, my lord. What will be, my lord, on the ranking on the merit list, my lord, and plus his choice. They have to tick which force he wants to go.
So in such a case, recruitment agency become very.
My lord.
No, but then
here only Assam Rifle has been made a party. My lord.
See, the matter has been admitted for hearing. So at least on that question at this stage, pass some order.
But the only difficulty will be, my lord, without arraying the Staff Selection Commission, in my humble submission, no directions can be issued, my lord.
No effective order can be passed. Is it, Mr. Siddiqui, have you taken note of all?
But everything was done by the Assam Rifles. I was interviewed by the Assam Rifles. I was medically tested by the Assam Rifles. And thereafter I was sent for review of the medical opinion by the Assam Rifles.
My lord, what
It
happens,
is
my
not
lord?
by the staff selection committee, my lord.
But here what happens, my lord? Staff Selection Commission uses the facilities of any of the paramilitary forces
But
for
then that they are under staff selection only.
under staff
It is,
selection.
it is not that they
My
will
lord.
have the identity of Assam regiment or Assam
Because
Rifles.
in Shillong, BSF does not have permanent setup, my lord, major setup. So Assam Rifle facility we used, my lord.
It was the only venue or you see, like their service was availed for conducting selection test. But then they essentially remained under staff selection commission.
Even the application, my lord, page 9 annexure 1 of the writ petition, my lord, is submitted to Staff Selection Commission. Page 9 of the writ petition, my lord, is kindly said.
Yes, that I admit, my lord.
Oh yes. That is the selection process initiated by staff selection commission.
Yes.
So everything held, selection held also. You see, it is not that just because the selection test was conducted by Assam Rifles would mean that all the candidates appearing there will go to Assam Rifles. They may be selected somewhere else.
Yes,
Also. So making Assam Rifles only a party may not serve your purpose, Mr. Siddiqui.
So already then, my lord, I will add the majority, implement the major party. I may be allowed to do this.
In 2020, see, this is already repetition of 2000. Otherwise, if you desire, we can proceed that way. But then, if that be the thing that no effective order can be passed, then
Yes, my lord.
yes, Dr. Mojika, is it?
My lord, of course it is late, my lord, but still it is beneficial for the petitioner himself, my lord, to rectify this at this stage.
So you are ready for implementing staff selection commission?
Yes, my lord, there's no way out.
There is no way out. This is a hard. There is senior counsel appearing for the petitioner. Siddiqui appearing with, just give the name so and so, of the petitioner, and Dr. N. Mojika appearing with Ms. A. Pradhan for the respondents. At the outset, it is pointed out by Dr. Mojika that this writ petition pertains to a selection process undertaken by the Staff Selection Commission, whereas the petitioner has not made Staff Selection Commission a party to the present writ petition. He submits that no effective order can be passed in the matter without Staff Selection Commission being implicated as a party in the case. Stop. Mr. Siddiqui Lanet's senior counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to take necessary step for implementing Staff Selection Commission as a party in this incident writ application. We are allowed release this matter after 2 weeks. In the meanwhile, the petitioner shall take necessary steps for implementing Staff Selection Committee as a party to the incident writ petition. At least accordingly. This is all right, Mr. Siddiqui. It's not audible. You are not audible.
Yes, madam.
Anyway,
Yes, madam. Oh, no, from my side.
Your colleague is here before us, so he got the order.
Yes, sir.